Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chin Rodriguez from Mesgari Channel, a faith healer, also matarder. So ngayong hapon, natatagan natin ang sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of June 17 hanggang June 23 for the sign of Aquarius. So, Aquarius, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanyang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aquarius ang ating mahagilap. So, guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik-liglig na gumapaw na biyayang manubalik sa inyo. So let's see what is the messages advice sa'yo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Aquarius. Angel Spirit, please give me information po ano kayong gusto sabihin sa'yo ng ating mga baraha. Alamin na natin yan. Angel Spirit, please give me information po. So this is the Queen of Pentacles. So this is the something stability and control, no? Kailangan lakasan mo ang loob mo. Kailangan mo maging matapang this time. Kailangan, pakiramdaman mo kung ano yung mga bagay na nangyari sa paligid mo, no? Additional messages. And because there's an Eight of Swords, no? There's something negativity or something that toxicity is around you. So be aware, no? Kung baga napapalibutan ka ng negatibo na tao o sitwasyon. Because this is a Two of Wands by choices, no? Kung baga pumili ka, no, ng mga bagay na alam mong makakalaya ka sa mga negativities, no? Kailangan mong pumili ng daan or patungo sa tagumpay or patungo sa magandang inaasam, no? Kailangan alam mo sa sarili mo yung pipiliin mo, no? Courses or something, a plan, no? Or buhay. Kailangan mo pumili, no? Kung saan ka dapat, no? It's either dyan sa situation mo ngayon, or either pipili ka ng bagong trabaho or bagong negosyo, or bagong tao na makikisamahan mo. And because this is the Four of Cups where you re-evaluate or analyze. So may mga bagay na kailangan mong pag-isipan, no? Na kailangan mong pagmunihan, hindi ka pwede magpala decision dito. And of course, let's see with ito, because with the partnership. So, dapat alam mo sa sarili mo na kung sino ang pakikisamahan mo. This is something a partnership at conditional love. Now, this is something love life. Now, this is involved about love life, no? And of course, there's an information with the Three of Life. So, see, this is the branch of family, no? It's either a family-related or branches of family for work, no? So, let's see what is the Queen of Wands. Represent the Knight of Wands. So, there's a resilience. Now, may mga bagay na kailangan mong maging tahimik lang, lakasan ng pakiramdam mo. No? May mga tao sa paligid mo na kailangan mong kilatisin, kilalanin. No? Alamin. The Eight of Swords represent what? The Three of Swords. See, there's a lot of negativities around you. Maraming taong naiinggit sa paligid mo. No? It's either sa trabaho man yan or sa negosyo or either sa bahay nyo. This is the Two of Wands, represent the Devil card. See? Kumbaga, mailayo ka sa tukso, mailayo ka sa mga bisyo, mailayo ka sa mga masasamang gawain, no? Kumbaga, pumili ka ng mga bagay na alam mo makakalaya ka, no? Sa pagkakakulong ng mga negativity sa paligid mo, 'di ba? This is something of imprisonment. Additional messages with the Four of Cups. Represent the Seven of Cups. So, something confusion. Maaring naguguluhan ka ngayon. Na maaring, kumbaga, hindi mo alam kung ano yung pipiliin mo. Hindi mo alam kung ano yung gagawin mo. The Two of Cups represent the Four of Swords. So, something intuition. There's a rest. So, kailangan mo rin ng pahinga. No? Kailangan mo na mag-isip, magmuni-muni. Or makinig ka sa intuition or inner voice mo. And the Tree of Life represent the Death card. So this is the ending and your beginning, no? Tapusin mo na ang ahas sa paligid mo, no? Kumbaga, sa trabaho mo, may ahas, no? Kailangan mo nang kumawala dyan, or either sa negosyo mo, no? Or either dyan sa bahay nyo, sa pamilya mo, or either dyan sa trabaho mo, or dyan sa paligid mo. the Queen of Wands and the Knight of Wands represent the Ace of Pentacles. So there's a big shot and big money coming in for you. No, there's a something perseverance, konting tiyaga lang, no? Kumbaga at the end of the time, makukuha mo rin tong big break na to. Additional messages with the Eight of Swords and the Three of Swords represent the Empress card for a revert, no? This is something third party either. No, and because parang pinapakita dito with the Empress card na may babaeng inggitera sa'yo, no? Naiinggit sa'yo. May galit sa'yo. The Two of Wands and of course the Devil with the Moon card. See? May sikreto, no? May something, an hidden agenda with the Moon card. No? This is the truth reveal. Malalaman mo at malalantad sa harap mo or sa sarili mo kung sino tong tao na to. The Four of Cups and of course the Seven of Cups represent the Five of Pentacles. Kumaga, there's a financial crisis, no? At all. Kumaga, nakakaranas ka ng kagipitan ngayon. Or pagbagal pasok ng pera. The Two of Cups and of course the Four of Swords represent the Nine of Pentacles. So there's a blossoming abundance. So pagdating sa partnership, maaaring lumakas ang iyong negosyo, hanap buhay. There's a financial windfall, no? And because this is the Two of Pentacles with the balance. So kailangan mo maging balance, emotional, practical. Additional outcome. This is the World card, no? Represent a success, achievement, victory. And because there's a trouble, guys. May trouble dito. Baka magkabilang mundo, no? Maaring kumbaga nasa ibang lugar siya at ikaw nandito sa Pilipinas, or maaring nasa Pilipinas siya at ikaw nasa ibang bansa. Additional messages with a Page of Wands. So there's a news, balita, no? There's a something information, phone calls, additional messages about sa career. So there's the King of Cups. So there's a devoted supportive person. There's a something boss. See, may gusto sa'yo yung boss mo, no? May maggusto sa'yo itong amo mo. And of course, there is a something Hermit card. This is a spiritual, no? This is a something soul journey, soul enlightenment. So, ibig sabihin dito, there is a something connection with a deep love, no? Mahal na mahal ka ng person mo. But eventually, may gusto sa'yo yung boss mo. Or boss, maaaring may gusto sa person mo yung boss niya. Additional messages about sa love life. So, this is the Queen of Cups, no? There's a something healing. No, maaaring babae ito, no? May babaeng may gusto sa person mo. Or either, may iba kang kinagugusto ang babae, no? If you're a man. If you're a woman, may babaeng involved dito. There's a faith, no? Sinusubukan na pananampalataya at tiwala nyo sa isa't isa. Mayroong faithful dito. There's a something it was for fast communication, fast movement. There's a phone call, messages, trouble. Additional messages about sa health. About sa health mo, there's a Seven of Wands, no? You are being protected, no? Okay naman yung kalusugan. And the Wheel of Fortune is the good luck, no? Maganda ang kapalaran mo dito pagdating sa health issues mo. No? Magiging masagana ang yung katawan. Magiging malakas. Additional messages for magical fairy messages. Let go. No? May mga bagay na kailangan mong bitawan. Pakawalan, lalo-lalo na yung mga bagay na hindi mo kontrolado. And this, be yourself, no? Kumbaga, kailangan maging totoo ka sa sarili mo. Additional messages about sa synchronicities. Over. For synchronicities, let's see. There's a speed. No? Bibilis din takbo ng eksena na to. No? Gaganda rin yung eksena dito. And kasi sinasabi dito with the roots. No? May ugat talaga ng eksena, guys. May pinanggagalingan. There's a sister. No? Meron dito involvement by sister. Additional messages. And there's a night vision. No? Nananaginip ka. Tama yung intuitions mo, ha? May something gut feeling ka dito about sa sister mo. For yin and yang oracle card. Maaring, kumbaga ito yung sister mo, yung yung may gusto sa person mo. Oh. Or either, itong sister mo, na this is the toxic. Additional messages. And there's a spy, looking, watching at you. Now, may nag-i-spy dito. And there's a guarded and vulnerable, no? Kumbaga, you're feeling stuck. You're feeling, Parang feeling mo dito, parang exhausted ka or something, hang. Imprisonment, ganon. And there's a close off, guarded. No, kailangan mo pakawalan yung mga bagay-bagay na alam mong hindi mo kontrolado. For Archangel Michael messages, and the personal you're asking is about trustworthy. Yung taong kinakausap mo, yung mapagkakatiwalaan mo. And you and your loved ones are safe. No? Safe naman daw yung mga mahal mo sa buhay. And Archangel Michael to help you from your situation. Nandito sa ating Archangel Michael para tulungan ka sa sitwasyon mo. So let's see what is the chakra messages. For the chakra, this is a despondence, no? Kung magagulong-gulo ka na sa lahat na nangyayari sa paligid mo ngayon, sa buhay mo, no? Gulong-gulo ka na. Tolero ka dito. There's an peace, no? May humaharang sa'yo sa situation mo. My God! And because there's something recovery, but at the end of the time, makaka-recover ka. Kakapit ka lang dyan. May susi dito, may magsisilbing susi dito para masolusyonan yung mga bagay na kinakatakutan mo at may mga bagay na nahihirapan ka, ganon. Nakita mo yan, there's a two person here. Then of course, nandito yung person na parang, ayan o, ito siya o, yung parang gulong-gulo, tapos eventually parang maliliwanagan siya at ito, there's a something spying, galit na galit, no, ito yun. Nagulat siya kasi parang malalaman mo na yung katotohanan sa lahat ng eksena, na kung sino yung nagsisilbing balakid, no? Sister mo nga yung may kinalaman sa eksena. There's a year from now, no? Ngayong taon na to, malalaman mo. And there's a big happy changes, no? Baka it's either third party ang kapatid mo. There's something, a big happy changes. May malaking pagbabago magaganap sa buhay mo ngayon. And choose new direction, no? Piliin mo yung mga panibagong direksyon. Ibig sabihin nyo, si Sir may nagbibigay ng mga maling impormasyon. Additional messages. And of course, there's a denial. No? I-acknowledge mo yung fear, replace mo yan awareness. And there's a double denial, ha? Kumbaga, sinasabi dito na hindi sa natatakot ka, nangangamba ka lang, no? Baka, kung ano itong, kumbaga, nagkakaroon ka ng gut feeling, na parang, nag-iiba yung emotions mo dito, na parang, nangangamba ka, kung posible bang totoo, or hindi, ganon. What is the Monsology? Don't let your past hold you back. No? Huwag mo na raw balik-balikan yung nakaraan. And, a new start is coming. Magkakaroon na ng bagong simula. And have faith in your dreams. No? Magtiwala ka sa mga pangarap mo. For energy, represent what? And there's a strategy. No? Gamitin mo to ng strategy. Lahat na nangyayari sa buhay mo ngayon. And there's a 6 chakra kang Hemetratron for surprises. My God, marami ka dito. Oh my goodness. Parang, magugulantang ka dito. Mabubulaga ka. Parang may ganun ako nasa-sense dito. Parang may mabibigla ka dito na parang surprise. Ganon. Parang in other way, ha. Pero parang mabibigla ka ng hindi magandang eksena. Parang ganon. There's a man holding a heart, no? Kung mahal na mahal ka ng person mo if you are a woman. Or if you are a man, mahal na mahal mo yung person mo. May sumasapaw kasi. For romance angels represent what? Getting to know each other. Kikilalanin nyo isa't isa and you deserve love. Deserve mo ang mahalan. There's a soulmate connection, no? Kumbaga, soulmate kayo ng person mo at mahal na mahal ka ng person mo. Kilala mo siya at kilala ka niya eh. May sumasapaw sa eksena nyo dalawa. Additional messages. And there's a release. So see, release and transition, no? Baguhin at kailangan alisin. And there's a fire, no? Transmutation and of course purification, paglilinis. May mga bagay na kailangan kaalisin, may mga bagay na kailangan kalinisin sa hanay mo. And there's a support, no, by guidance, no, with ancestor guides, no, ginagabayan ka dito ng mga mahal mo sa buhay na yumao. Additional messages with the angel spirit. And there's a spiritual teacher, see? There's a albularyo. Kailangan mo ng teachers or guidance dito. Maaaring may gayuman na sense ko dito. And of course, ang may kinalaman dito ay maaaring kapatid mo. Or sister-in-law. Okay. And there's a sensitivity. No? Sensitive. Kailangan maging sensitive ka sa lahat ng nangyayari. Kumbaga nakakahalata ka na. No? Kailangan mo na lang tuklasin. Ganon. For Arcangel Raphael messages, Arcangel Raphael messages for you is sobriety. Kailangan mo ng fruit and vegetable dito. And there is a hydration. No? Kailangan mo ng more water. Additional messages with the angel spirit guides. And you got the love. So there's something boundaries. So see, kailangan mag-set ng boundaries. There's a toxic and negativities no around you. And there's a water your garden. There's a rest. So kailangan mo ng pahinga, ha? Para makapag-isip ka na maayos at talaga mo yung katawan at isip mo. Jesus' loving quote said, I am with you always even at the end of the world. So nandito lang daw ang ating Panginoon. Ginagabayan ka kahit na piling mo pinagbagsakan ka ng langit at lupa. For the angel's number, represent what? For the angel's number, represent what? Angel spirit guides. For the angel's number, represent God. Represent what? 0, 1, 10, 10. For it's up to you. Nasa sa iyang kung maniniwala ka hindi, ha? There's an it's up to put those long cherished ideas into actions. You will come into contact with the appropriate individuals, circumstances, and resources. Eventually, you will experience joy and well as a brand new opportunities, trust in the process. So, nasa sa yan, no? Magtiwala ka lang sa tamang proseso, ha? Sa tamang nangyayari sa'yo. Now, there's something patient. Kailangan mo habaan na pasensya mo dito. Maliliwanagan at malilinawan lahat ng mga bagay-bagay na malabo para sa'yo. Additional messages for the messages of life. I discover who I am, no? At sinasabi dito, today, I discover the riches that lie within me. I acknowledge my true self. I see myself as unlimited being and marvel and at beauty of my life. I recognize the wealth of the possibilities available to me as being alive. As I learn who I am, I recognize the divine with me. So see, alam mo sa sarili mo na sa likod ng mga nangyayaring kaguluhan sa buhay mo ngayon, no? Kumbaga alam mo na nasa likod mo lang ang ating Panginoon, no? Ibinibigay sa iyo yung tamang tao, no? Inililinis sa iyo yung mga taong may masamang balak at hindi magagandang balak sa iyo, no? Kung may mga taong hindi totoo at peki sa harap mo ay may mga bagay na lilinisin sila. No? Aalisin sila sa buhay mo, babaguhin lahat ng mga taong na nakagisnan mo, kumbaga kikilalanin lahat ng mga bagay na alam niyang magbibigay sa iyo ng growth and expansion, at kumbaga bibigyan ka ng something kumbaga awakening dito na parang gigisingin ka sa bangungot na nangyayari sa iyo sa kasalukuyan. So let's see. So maraming salamat guys. This is a weekly gabay for the month of June 17 hanggang June 23 for the sign of Aquarius. So, Aquarius, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kundi lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and notification bell for more videos update. And kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik-liglig na gumapaw na biyayang manubalik sa inyo. At maraming salamat po. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!